Hello there, everybody, and guess what? Welcome back for another DQ Blizzard review. This time, it's the chocolate chip cookie dough Blizzard. See, it's made out of chocolate chip cookies. So, yeah, what I'm gonna do is have a taste test. Here it is. So, let's give that a try. Mmm, yummy. It tastes like chocolate chip cookies. So let's give another try. Mmm, delicious. So yeah. So what do you guys think about the chocolate chip cookie dough Blizzard? And I also have an idea for a little drawings. Maybe I could draw a picture of Duke, Lightspeed, and Gypsy Star, the reindeers, to have them drawn as a Reagan-based stop-motion animation style characters along with Rudolph 1998 movie style characters. So, what do you guys think about the idea for the design of the characters? So, yeah. So, let me know what do you guys think in the comments section below, and what do you think about the idea? I think it's really creative. So, yeah. I highly recommend it. Try this Blizzard because it's really yummy. So anyways, thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future, and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That will help me out a lot too. So anyways, see you soon, and I'll stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.